Hey everybody, I personally like to have my imports ordered no matter which project I'm working in, because I just find it pleasing to the eye. We can achieve this effect with Prettier. Let's jump straight into it. First, let's open up our terminal and install the dependencies that we're going to need. Prettier and a plugin for Prettier. I'll leave links in the description down below for where you can find these. After that's done, we can go ahead and configure the rule in the Prettier config file. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and create it at the root of the directory. Inside of the configuration file, we have to create a rule. This rule receives an array of regex strings and orders the imports according to the order of the array. Any unincluded strings will automatically be shifted to the top. I personally prefer having my third-party libraries first, then my components, and finally my relative files at the end. This regex string will cover those use cases. Below that, I'll add 2 more lines that add line breaks between import groups and help us with sorting specifiers and import declarations. Once we save this file and go back to our app.tsx, we can format that file and see our new automatic ordering take into effect.